Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to lengthen photo play time on Clipchamp step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Click Microsoft Clipchamp on the desktop or taskbar and scroll down, click Create a new video. It takes time to load the Clipchamp page. Step 2. Import your photo by clicking on the Import Media button. Browse through the image file you want to use and click Open. Step 3. It takes time to upload that photo file. Wait, be patient. Once it's uploaded, drag it into the timeline. You'll now see your photo added as a clip in the timeline. By default, Clipchamp sets the photo duration to around 4 seconds. Step 4. To change the play time of your photo, move your cursor to the edge of the photo clip in the timeline. Click and drag the edge outward to increase the duration, or drag it inward to make it shorter. As you adjust it, you'll see the duration time update on the timeline, allowing you to set the exact length you need. You've successfully learned how to lengthen photo play time on Clipchamp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.